Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually share your typeforms at typeform.com. For that particular reason, we are using free version of Typeform, so you can easily tune in and find out if the Typeform is the one for you, since they are providing really nice freemo, so you can check it out and decide if you want to spend your actual money in these plans. Obviously, we are running this one, the free one. You have 10 responses at the moment, but if you want to upgrade it, it's completely up to you. And I strongly recommend it since we are using it a lot. So in this free trial version, I'm going to show you how you can actually share something with other people. For example, first thing we have to do is pick the tutorial or the sheet that we want to share. Let's go with tutorial Typeform. As you can see, we have a couple of questions in here, a couple of labels, and let's share them. It's very easy. On the top corner of your screen, we have 4 options: create, connect, share, and results. When we click on the share, obviously, we have our link then that we can share, and also share straight through email, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Buffer, Linktree, or generate a QR code if you want to basically scan it out or download it straight away and send it to the recipient as somehow of a prettier way of sharing folders. But mostly, first of all, if we click on copy link, the link is copied and we want to copy paste it. For that, you have to log in, or you have to follow the rabbit, which is basically deliver you to creating your account. But then, if you log in, you can proceed with your Typeform. You can launch it in email or start a chat, which is basically other options. But I strongly recommend you using the copy link or creating a QR code that then you can download and send as JPEG, for example, to your employees to have it like more secured or faster or cooler. It's completely up to you. So that's how you share your queries or your Typeform forms at typeform.com. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video and I'll answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.